Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sam, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So Boxycharm, for anyone that doesn't know, is a monthly subscription beauty box, and it is $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, which is amazing because usually they total out to be around $100 or $125 worth of products in the box, and they send really great products, and they send like makeup palettes and brushes and things like that. So if you want to see what I got in my October Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in the box this month, and I'm also going to be trying it on for you guys, which is awesome because usually when I get my Boxycharm, I almost never really try everything. I get really excited to try everything, and then I end up just like not, or giving it away. So at least this time I'm forced to try everything, which is awesome. So let's get started. So I already opened everything to see what makeup I could and couldn't put on. Sorry if you see fur, it's my cats. They're just crawling all over me. They actually just ate, so I can't exactly lock them out of the room because their litter box is in here. And Caesar's just laying on my lap. But just in case you see a tail walk across the screen, you know why. So let's open the box and see what we got. So, of course, you get your card, and inside it'll tell you all the things that you got in your box, and it'll give you a description of everything. So I'm going to be starting off with this, which is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. And let's see what it says. It says, Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. And this retails for $16. So let's go ahead and try this. I got mine in the color dark brown. So I'm never really a fan of tinted brow gels. I like a clear brow gel, but let's see how I like this one. So, I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite. I do prefer a clear brow gel. I don't think this made my eyebrows any lighter or darker than they already were. And I honestly feel like it's not going to make my brow hairs stay up all day. So I'm really hoping that it works, but probably not. So I don't know. I'd have to keep trying this to see, but I don't know if I really like this all that much. So the next thing in the box is this, the Sassy Siennas palette by Dose of Colors, which is awesome that we get this because I've heard a lot of great things about these eyeshadow palettes. I personally haven't tried any of these eyeshadow palettes yet, so I'm really excited to. But this is what the inside of the palette looks like, and it does come with a brush. So, I mean, I don't really use the brushes that come inside of the palettes, but I will today just to try it. I feel like this end will be really good underneath my lower lash line. But this is the palette and the colors that are in it, so it's a lot of, okay, sir, could you not? And this is, so this is the palette and all of the colors that come in it. It is a really warm tone palette, so I'm excited about that. It is a little bit more on the orange side. I mean, it is siennas, so we shall see. But I'm really more curious about the formula and everything else. So I'm going to just do a quick eye look. I will point and show you what colors I'm using and just do a quick eye look and speed through this and let you know what I think of at the end. Siennas mascara, but I have to say that this Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas palette is pretty freaking awesome. The colors blended out really well. It was really easy to work with. The colors are a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I was able to pull this look together. I did add an eyeshadow that wasn't in this palette to the look, but they didn't really have like a lighter shade or like a shimmer or really a highlight shade. They're pretty matte, pretty dark, but they are great to mix with any other palettes that you might have. And this palette retails for $32. And it says 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. So honestly, I really did love this, and I will keep this in my rotation for sure. And the other thing that I got that I was using for this eye look was the Hollywood & Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. And this retails for $7, and it says, line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. I have to say it was really creamy. I did put it on my lower lash line in the waterline, and it was really creamy. I did have to work it on the back of my hand just a little bit just to get it started. But it did really blend out really nicely on the lower lash line, and I had trouble with it on my upper lash line, so I used it just to kind of line, and then I went in with a definer brush to kind of smudge it out and blend it in, and it was a little bit difficult to work with, but once you got the hang of it, it did look pretty nice. I don't think it's something that I'm gonna reach for over my liquid liner or over a gel liner, but it is nice to have if I do want to have something creamy in my waterline. It is really good. So I do like this. The next thing in the box is this Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Slick With It Mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. And this retails for $19. So let's try it. I have to say I'm super picky when it comes to mascara. Like, I only like the mascaras that I like, and I hardly ever try new ones. I mean, I try them, but I hardly ever like them. So this is the, I'm assuming, thicker side. And then this, yes, this is the thinner side. So let's see how I like it. So I don't think I'm a fan. I just don't think that this mascara really did anything special that would make me want to start using it over my other mascaras. I don't know. It's okay. I mean, I wouldn't grab for it. It's not my favorite, but yeah, I don't think I like this at all. I'm gonna be really honest. I don't like this mascara. I feel like it wasn't really volumizing at all. I feel like all it did was make my lashes black, which is what mascara does, but it wasn't lengthening, it wasn't volumizing, it just darkened my natural lashes. And I like the idea of using the smaller wand for my lower lash line, but again, like, it didn't do anything special. I'm just really not a fan of this. And the last thing in the box is by Iconic London, and it is their Prep Set and Glow Spray. So this says, Iconic London Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. And this retails for $29. So let's try this. Wow, that smells so freaking good. It almost smells like perfume, but not like a florally perfume. I don't know, it smells really, really good. So it is fully dry, and it is light reflecting. I will say that, like, there is definitely glitters in here, or shimmer. I mean, obviously there's shimmer in here, but it's just, I think I like it, because I always like a dewy kind of finish. I feel like in certain lights it's gonna look like a lot, but I actually don't mind it. I actually really like this. I feel like this would be really pretty, more of a body spray than a face spray, or wearing it under your makeup. Especially if you have a tan in the summer. I feel like if you sprayed this on your body, it would look really, really beautiful, but I feel like it might be a bit much on the skin after, like, as a setting spray. But I don't hate it. I do actually like this. So I am excited that we got this. So yeah, so that was everything that I got in this month's box. It is a $103 value. I am so happy. I got two amazing products that I absolutely love, which is the Iconic Spray and the palette by Dose of Colors, which I thought was awesome that we got that this month. So let me know what you got in your box down below, because I'm so curious, because everybody's box is different. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!